So just a brief overview of the Corps of Engineers. We have 9 divisions across our enterprise, 41 districts, that may be plus or minus. So we're literally located all over the world. And we have civil work here, which involves things like dams, reservoirs, inland navigation. We do environmental cleanup for our agency. Hydropower. We do dredging throughout the country. When the rivers get too full of sediment at the bottom of the rivers, that gets dredged out. And in this case, this was for our Buffalo district. It's reused to facilitate ecosystem restoration. So we try to put back.
Okay, first off, does anybody know what a levee does?
No. Just for like the
Okay, here's a picture. You got water on one side. So pretend that's the Ohio River downtown. Everybody's been downtown and seen the river there. So if we have levees and flood walls down there, this is a levee in the picture. But the levee keeps the water from flooding the town. And so we build the levees out of, what do we build levees out of? What do you think?
gravel.
Well, we like to use something that's not very porous. So what would that be? How about clay? No. We like to use clay. That's one of the better materials. Keep the water from seeping through the levee.
You also had the opportunity to do stuff overseas. Okay, so a lot of these pictures are from Iraq, and it's just opportunities. So you did want to enlist or join ROTC, get your engineering degree, and then do it in more a deployed environment in foreign countries. The Army's also another option, as well as the Navy, the Air Force, Marines. There are just some examples. So down here, the example was we had another. This is actually close to this site here. Again, it's another waterway. But we had to remove the bridge. The Army wanted its bridge back. The problem was the civilian locals still had to get across that area. So we were told to get rid of the bridge, but the civilians still have to use the road because that's how people got to work and got their supplies, their food. So we had to build this hasty construction. So similar to over there, we were talking about how the water moves. We had to find a way to allow the water to continue to move, because if you stop the water, what happens? It just creates a lake, and then eventually Mother Nature is going to create a new path. And these are just examples, so if you do decide to choose that route, just know that options are out there.
We're going to go ahead and begin. As Roger mentioned, my name is Adrienne Gordon. They've asked me to talk to you a little bit about diversity in engineering. You can apply it to any topic. Diversity in science, diversity in biology, diversity in your classroom, diversity in a college environment. I'm a civil engineer. I have a bachelor's in science in civil engineering. I have a master's in science in civil and environmental engineering. I went to school over 30 years ago. It's a long time ago. When I went to college, when they talked about diversity, it meant two things. It was two-dimensional. It meant gender, and it meant race. And I can assure you, when I walked into the classroom back then, there wasn't much diversity at all. There weren't a whole lot of people that looked like me around. That's changing, and it's going to continue to change. That's one reason why I'm here to talk to you today and let you know that it is a welcome place, that you can become whatever you want to be.
Your housing and stuff like that. So there's opportunities, just as what Adrian said, that you have opportunities if you want to. There's opportunities out there. Army, Navy is one opportunity. If you like engineering science, then you can go in different paths with the Army or the Navy. So again, we're a very diverse organization. We're very widespread all over the place. But these are like some of the things we do to support our safety.